Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can send a video clip to the back or to the front on your timeline in the Microsoft Clipchamp video editor. So let us get started. So guys, head over to your video project on Clipchamp, add at least two video clips from your library here to the left on your timeline. So we got that one and that one. As you can see, they're pretty much overlapping each other, or in other words, that one here above on that video track is covering the video below. So if you'd like to change the position of it, so there are two ways, of course. You may resize the given image or video here on the upper timeline so that the video clip in the back becomes visible. Or what you want to do as well is select the video clip on the upper timeline or video track here, click into these three dots, hover your mouse over that option and choose one of these options. Bring to front, bring forward, send to back, send backwards. So if I send it to back, it will be basically moved to the video track below, and now that video here is in the foreground, as you can see. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.